Hiya. This morning we have a bath that has been damaged around the waist due to a falling shower screen. Falling shower screens are a very common thing, really. They're heavy, they shatter, their fixings aren't that strong, and we are here to help. Let's have a go. Okay, so here's a close-up of the damage. It's around the waist area here. You can see changes in the colour and level. That's sort of the shower hitting the waist has actually bent the bath so badly that I'm having to do quite a large filling job just to level it off. So the repair is much bigger than anticipated originally. Okay, so we have now handled this damage around here where the shower had fallen, and yeah, there's no more breaks in the surface. It's all uniformly blended out. So yeah, another good job done. Yeah, that was quite a lot of work there. Basically it hit the bath so hard that it dented it down, so that the waist fitting was actually askew at an angle. This meant that water was collecting in that side of the waist, so I had to do some extra work in order to prevent any further erosion occurring in that area. Quite difficult to do, really, because water is quite a powerful element, and if it's sitting somewhere a long time or repetitively, it can damage surfaces. That's why on a lot of old baths it's completely black around the waist, because the water has been sitting there and has chewed its way all through the enamel. We're trying to prevent anything like that happening with this steel bath, because of course if the steel starts to degrade and it gets back to the metal, it could rust a hole right through the bath, which would be a bit of a disaster. So anyway, we've done the preventative necessary things here and made it look aesthetically fine. So all good.